Next question, how do you find hidden financial assets in a divorce? Very simply, hard work. You're comparing financial statements with each other. You're comparing financial statements to tax returns, and you're trying to compile an independent list of assets, asset by asset, financial asset by financial asset, expensive physical asset. The technical term for tangible personal property in a divorce is the stuff. Do you have a lot of stuff? Do you have a lot of paintings? Do you have art? Do you have a cabin somewhere out in the middle of nowhere that's very, very nice? So it's about the comparison and contrast of all the mix of assets and documents that you get, including that personal financial statement that you hopefully find from the bank. Now, the other way to find financial assets hidden in a divorce is to get the deep throat to tell you. And often, if a business owner's been fast and loose with the tax returns, the spouse may know about it, your client, which is nice. And that also can give you a place to look. But ultimately, it's a lot of elbow grease. It's a lot of just staring at the documents. It's very, very helpful to have a CPA looking at the tax returns and see what doesn't smell right. And one of the techniques and tactics that I suggest people do, also have the eyeball test. Have one person, whether it be a paralegal, CPA, forensic accountant, or the lawyer, him or herself, one person put all their eyes, or strike that, put their two eyes on every single piece of paper. One of the people that does that in my firm is my wife, Sharon. She's got a finance degree. She spent 13 years in county government doing finance, and she can find stuff you wouldn't believe and come up with an idea of their lifestyle. She knows what things should cost, and if they're overspending for their relative affluence, blah, blah, blah. She's just amazing at that. And one of the techniques we use is we create a detailed historical transaction listing, meaning we list for an 18-month, 24-month, possibly even 36-month period, every financial transaction we can get our hands on. And what that's going to do is show us patterns. We can use that information to prepare a statement of income and expenses for alimony. We can talk more about that later. But it is also going to show us if $5,000, $10,000, $25,000 disappears out of one account and we don't see it appear on another account, we know we don't have all the accounts. So that's how you prove the negative in the courtroom. Is you have to analyze everything to find what's missing.